So there are two entry methods I love to use, and I'm going to show you what they are and where you can find them. So the first one is a fair value gap or an imbalance. This is where there is only buyers or only sellers in the market, which gives you an area of imbalance between these two wicks here. And I love entering inside these fair value gaps because price should come back and rebalance into these areas and then go in its intended direction from higher time frame key levels. But the strongest area to enter off of, in my opinion, which will give you a very high win rate, is a balanced price range. And essentially all it is one area of imbalance which is overlapping another area of imbalance from a higher time frame key level. So we can see that price is reacting out of this area of inefficient price action right here. That is your higher time frame key level. Now on a smaller time frame, you can see the reaction from your key level. You can see that price has broken lower. You can see we've got a fair value gap right here which price reacted from. But what makes this entry even stronger is the fact that this was a balanced price range, and you can see there are two areas of imbalance which are overlapping with each other. You can enter inside of here, or you can measure your trading range, mark out your optimal trade entry level, and enter on there knowing that price also has a balanced price range and a fair value gap which you can enter off of. I like to keep things as simple as possible, and all I am doing is utilizing higher time frame key levels and balanced price ranges or fair value gaps to enter off of. And I guarantee that if you go and backtest this now, you will be able to see that this has the potential to give you a very high win rate.
Here's why 96% of traders fail and how you can join the winning 4%. Step 1. Get the Pips Gravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Links in bio. Inside, you'll learn how to spot market structure shifts so you know exactly when the trend changes. Step 2. Master liquidity and fair value gaps. The same concepts banks use to trap retail traders and take their money. Step 3. Use our tested entry techniques to enter with sniper precision and manage your risk like a pro. And step 4. Follow our trade management plan to scale up without giving back your profits. Stop trading blind. Start trading with a blueprint. Pips Gravity Mastermind. Your prop firm pass starts here.